Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the Another Success Stories. And today we have our, we can say the smart or the young girl, Riddhi Kapoor from Satna. But yeah, she is living right now in Jaipur. So she is pursuing architecture from VGU. So she is very active person whom I met. So Riddhi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming on the success story series of D2 Learning. So glad to have you here. So, Rithi, I will ask you some questions, and you just have to give our answers in a very briefly, so that the people who are watching us they will be aware about you as well as the thing that you have achieved during your vacation or during your summer vacations. So that I think can inspire the people to achieve. Okay. So, Rithi, I know you, but can you just briefly share about yourself, like to the users who are watching us, like what you do, what your expertise, and uh, what is your plan to do in the future? Yeah.
Okay. So my name is Riddhi Kapoor. Currently, I am pursuing BArch degree from Code VGU, Jaipur. So, as a student, I have always been and I have always believed that my very first approach should be to create something meaningful and to have something in an approach to green building. So, I am very passionate to green buildings and it was a long time since I have connected to D2O. When I just have a query related, if they can give me some kind of internship for 1 month, where I
Right.
connected with Anuj sir, and I can say that it was one of the very valuable internship for me, where I came to know the main focus about green buildings. It's not just about using some kind of greeneries in house or something, but
Right.
then I get a deeper knowledge to these things. And recently I have earned the lead GA, that is lead green associate credential, and it's all possible just because of the guidance of you, sir, and the
Thank you
platform,
so much.
D2O learning platform. So I'm very honored to have this credential. For someone, it might be a very like not very much valuable, but for me, it's some kind of milestone for me, because
Mm-hmm.
I have already dreamed of ki I need to focus into this green building before starting my journey as a professional into this industry. So this is the very first step I have taken, and with the help of D2 Learning platform and your guidance.
Great. Rithi, thank you so much. And I still remember the day. I think I last year in 2024 I was in US and you texted me, sir. I want to be the internship. Like I want to do the internship. With you. That time you joined us, and the work that you have done is amazing. So thank you so much for all the great work that you have done and you're doing at your in your college and all. So that's yes, seriously is a commendable work. And for the lead associate, heartily congratulations from Team D2
Thank
Learning and whole T2 team. So very soon you will be lead AP also. So let's plan it out. Let's work it out on that credential also. And definitely D2 learning team is very will be very happy to support you to achieve that credentials also. So
Yes.
Riddhi, my next question is like as you are a student, okay. So did you face any challenge during the course that you have taken from us, or any challenge in the examination of lead associate?
No, like as I've connected to you, get into the to learning platform.
Mhm.
Everything came to me in a very easy platform. Like from the steps to how to register, from knowing what are the main key aspects to focus on, to all the learnings which I have I have taken from the platform. It makes
Right.
each step to becoming a lead green associate very easy. Like I
Mm-hmm.
can say, the modules that have been provided in the digital learning platform were really very easy to understand. Like they're convenient ki whatever are the key aspects, whatever are the new words to me, it made me feel ki they're giving a brief introduction so that I can learn, as I'm just a student right now, not an industry expert or something. but
Right.
the platform make everything so easy for me to learn from the basics.
Mm-hmm.
And from after every module you guys are giving us some of the practice questions, mock test papers, which make me understand more deeper ki how which kind of questions can come in the exam. So
Right.
it was really very helpful for me to
Great.
just in this journey of becoming a lead green associate.
Super. And how was your exam experience? Like because generally people give the examination from the home and they face some challenges like the proctor application is not opening or there's an issue. And also, did you face that kind of a challenge or it was smooth for you?
No, it was quite easy for me, but even if someone is facing any kind of disturbance or any kind of issue,
Mhm.
there is the Proctor application with the chat box. You can anyway connect to them, they will help you out whenever you feel.
Okay.
So it was very helpful for me. There was nothing which I can say कि it was difficult. And
Okay.
if I tell you about my journey, not journey, to the phase of giving my examination, obviously I
Yes.
was very nervous, like what kind of questions will come. I
Mm-hmm.
have taken only 2 weeks for my preparation, and I have registered myself, scheduled my exam from the
Right.
2 weeks from the day I started my preparation. So it
Yes.
was a very tight timeline for me, but I know if I just give all of mine to it, and if I will be so dedicated towards it, and I will definitely gonna achieve it. So the thing
Nay.
is, yeah, you should have some kind of timeline. Without
Yes.
timeline, there's nothing to do. And as an
True.
architectural student, I know कि शुरुआत में काम नहीं होता है, वो जब टाइमलाइन आता है ना कि दिस इज द डेट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट गिव आवर जूरी, वो जो टाइमलाइन रहता है 1 वीक का 2 वीक का तभी काम होता है. तो
Absolutely.
हाँ, so this timeline is very important. If you are planning कि हाँ I will prepare and then schedule my exam someday someday,
Mm-hmm.
so it is never gonna happen. So it's like we should have some goals and timelines towards every phase of life कि हाँ इतने टाइम में हमको ये complete करके रखना है. We need to achieve it.
True. I totally agree with you because the timeline why it is important and because it gives you an idea like this is the date when you will have examination. So the scheduling is very important. Until you will not schedule examinations, you will not start preparing your examination. So as you
Sure.
have just give you schedule the examination first and then they start your preparations for the 2 weeks time.
Yeah.
So generally what happens, people take our programs, take our course and they just totally depend on Anuj and Dito learning that it will happen. But they do not prepare it and they do not schedule the examination. So if you are coming to our program, if you are coming to our community, so if you have a milestone in mind like that you have to achieve by the end of this year, by the end of this month, do it and prepare accordingly. Otherwise, if you're coming without any thoughts and all, it will not never happen. So the deadline is very, very important for preparing anything. Great,
Yeah.
Riddhi. Thank you so much. It's a very good, great takeaway from your learning. And thank you so much for sharing your course experience as well as the exam experience. So, the people, if you have any questions related to this, you can type in the comment section of this video. Definitely, and you can connect with Riddhi on the LinkedIn also. Riddhi, my last question is as you are a student right now, and what is your future goals, what you want to do in your life? And I know you are a great musician also, you sing very well. So what are the things you are planning to do as a professional in after after 1 year?
After 1 year, it's like, yeah, I'm a final year student of architecture. So my very first focus was ki I just don't want to be a architecture graduate and then looking for a job. I
Mm-hmm.
I was very sure ki I must have some kind of credential. I should earn some experience. So uh, my college itself has like allowed me to explore the whole industry.
Amazing.
After each semester, after each year, we have some kind of internship, whether 1 month, whether 2 months. But through this practice, I came to know I get many connection. As you only said ki you don't know which connection can get you which opportunity. So
Right.
the thing is very important. The connection is very important. And through this opportunity to take these internship every semester, I get to have some kind of connections. I know more about the industry credentials which are there, and I
Mm-hmm.
also get to know ki what are the kind of softwares or skills the main market is just asking for in the
Right.
freshers also. So
True.
my first primary focus was ki I want to have some kind of experience. I did many internships till now from
Mm-hmm.
different backgrounds ki haan, some green building, some social work. So it was like a more composed way of growing myself ki haan, I'm not just a architecture student which have passed out. So
Mm-hmm.
this was my primary focus. Second, if I talk about my future, it is just as keep on learning. I know I will keep on learning. I cannot say I know everything, and may in some point I will get some work and I will not be able to do, or I will have some doubt. And I'm never a child which have that kind of depression or some kind of demotivation that I cannot do, or what is this? I don't know something. I always have that eagerness to learn new things. Yes, if I
Amazing.
don't know, yes, I will definitely ask. Ki, हाँ, what is this? I don't know. So the very primary focus to my whole career life or even my whole life will be keep on learning, keep on doing, and talking into like not only my professional life but also in my
Mm-hmm.
personal life. May you don't have all kind of knowledge which supports your position, but you
True.
should always have that kind of eagerness. You should have that dedication towards each job ki हाँ, I need to do it perfectly. If I don't know something, I will definitely gonna learn it and just upgrade my skills. So there's nothing set into my life ki हाँ, what I'm gonna do, but I always know कि I'm gonna learn things. सारी चीजें जैसी दुनिया अभी चल रही है, it is never gonna be the same in future.
True.
तो आज अगर मैं कुछ अपना गोल सेट कर रही हूँ, आगे चल के उसके जब तक मैं वहां तक पहुंचूंगी उससे भी आगे चीजें आ चुकी होंगी. तो आई फोकस इज ऑन लर्निंग थिंग्स एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड अनलॉकिंग द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज.
Lovely, lovely. I think you have rightly mentioned. So on the learning part, so it's a be a lifelong learner is a very important thing. It's not like okay, I know everything. No, no. In the life, you will learn on a daily basis something new. So I think be a lifelong learner is a new kind of a things that a person should have. The attitude should be according to that. So that's a great thing. I think Ridit, you have put out. My last, or I think the final message that you want to give to the people who are watching this video or your success story, any message, any suggestions which you would like to give to the people?
Suggestions will be like not suggestion, but I will always say ki if you're doing something, planning to do something which have some meaningful impact on social and environment like
Mm-hmm.
aspects. And telling about detour learning platform, I will really speak to this ki people are becoming they are becoming experts in the industry of green building, but the
Mm-hmm.
very first point is from where to learn. D2
Right.
is a platform which is providing the people a platform where they can learn, grow, and this is I can say this is the main factor कि हाँ, जब तक लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आएगा, जब तक लोग इस बारे में जानेंगे नहीं, they can never gonna never
True.
gonna know the main impacts and the powerfulness of these industries. तो
Absolutely.
मैं कहूंगी अगर ग्रीन बिल्डिंग आगे चल के मार्केट में आ रहा है तो इट प्लेज डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म itself plays a very important and vital role in this industry. So
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think you put it right. The market is booming and the requirement is coming up. So we are here like D2 Learning is there to support each and every learner who wants to crack the code of this industry. So thank you so much, Riddhi, for sharing your thoughts, sharing your learning, and sharing your experience with all the people, with our D2 scholars as well as the people watching this video. And wish you all the best for your future ahead. And look forward to see you further grow in our community and across the world. Great, Riddhi, thank you so much, and look forward to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.
okay, bye, thank you.